Since I had to make a final part, I'm gonna go ahead and decorate the collar, and to do that, I'm gonna use a square punch and a teardrop punch. I kept calling it a diamond punch, but no, this one's teardrop shaped. And that's what I like to use for the center. But if you wanted to, you could use just a small round punch and just put four or five round punches across it. You're just trying to create a representation of some sort of decoration on the collar. We're also going to be using a center punch to make some of these whiskers or dots, spots, whatever you want to call it. There's just so many variations. Like that one, I just did the nose sideways and did the ears like that instead of floppy. Make these however you want to make them. Get creative. That's the fun in it. So we're going to use that teardrop punch. I like to do the center first. And if you get a little off, you can correct it. So we have that. Then we'll put our square punches in. Down here with our square punch. I like to come on either side of the center. And then see where you want the other ones. And you might have to angle your punch to go with the curvature of the collar. Okay, now that we have our collar decorated, we can go ahead and use the center punch to make some whiskers. Brush it up. So there we have it. From this stage, just turn it into whatever you want to. Bottle opener, a hook, barbecue fork, choice is yours.